Beli pi baru yang penyang subhai pi syakatuk kubor mentaka janmiat syaban paj kubor ke bebanyak ini pecwai kimat berkongsan. Empat kerandian kesokan nak jing temu banwanra ekalenti rel East Chanty Hills District ong sembut mentedang ba kejelau ba sengau bahalang dhar. Penpau kesoka jela syaka Union Power Ministry ban penyar ha ke ban penmi boarding na kesengi. Penkrek ke KHDC ban pelong ya kenong ba shlong ke bakhut basuba ong UCEM uba penyak sing sim. Bat pelong jingelang Deputy Commissioner ban penulong ya ke hukum jong ke Bishar High Court ha Southwest Garo Hills. Kikubor ki babnya. Kasorka jela keempat shimla kenrandian nak jing temu banwanra ya ke lenti rel East Chanty Hills wat apedeng ki jing persya. Usembut mentidang ba ke jela badai kmi ia ketenat transport uba sengau bahalang dhar ulaong ba kesoka jela kadang bisa banyak halo kene ke benta. Agba penpau halo ke jing temu jong kesoka jela ban pelong ia ke jing pensyai pat ba nak por sekapor uba dhar ulaong ba kam shimla don ke jing persya hendai ke dai tang nak daw ke jing bom sengau thu sepang kene ke projek.
As of now, we didn't take a decision. So yes, awareness program is just happening from DC from time to time. And this for everything to first of all we have to take all the stakeholders on board only. When everybody is on board, then we will take a call, examining and we keep awareness all those areas which we are planned to. So we will see. No, we haven't dropped it. We are still under examining, under negotiation, all these things. We haven't dropped it.
Katenat boarding hagasngi baar kala penpau syaka Union Power Ministry ba haduk katno ke jela kalala banok senyang syaka renewable energy sector lemba kajing penmi boarding nagasngi hakeleng ke jela. Abo penpau halo kene ke benta chairman com managing director ke MECL Sanjay Goyal ula ong banakaliang menteri katenat boarding hagajing elang ula penpau ya ki babun ki benta khnang ba kasoka pedeng kan yarap ya ke jela ban penmi kambon ke boarding nagasngi. Syu ula ong banakaliang menteri kesoka pedeng ula pediang ru ya ke jing ai jingmut ban pendon kam ya ke wa umyam na ke benta ban bu ya ke tiar solar ha ke ban penmi ya ke boarding na kesengi.
The role of the solar energy, given the fact that we do have certain locations in the state wherein the solar energy can come, I mean the solar plant can come up, the mega solar plants. The MECL corporation has already offered certain patches of the land which belong to the corporation, and similarly was the case with Umyam. We have been doing the studies of utilizing the Umyam water reservoir for the solar plants and solar generation.
Chief Executive Member ke KHDC uba penyak sing sim ulaong ba council kala shim khia ban pelong ia kenong ba ka bakhut besuba sa sisian pat. Lingba ke jing kersan lang dabaro. Ulaong ba ya minta la nang penkre ya ke action plan bat banwanra ya ki kendon ki banirap ban weng ya ki jing ka be dei bat ka jing brat pathar ki nyut ki nya dagi pat ba. Syu ulaong ban nakaliang ke council kala rai ban mang san pholak tingka na ke benta ban bu ya ki resource recovery center hamaulai mauro. Ka KHDC kala persang ban weng ya ki ne ki jing ka be dei bat ka jing brat nyut pathar.
Kawin nak pilot project jong kanika resource recovery center kaba ni la dep mang ya kapisa kaba ban penlut kumbasan pulak tam nakam takani but hakajing he jong kajaka kumba prahajar square feet kermen scam bakani pilot project kan long kaba siswa but ni bu jing temu ba hapo kanika lai benai nla ban pendap ni pilot project but sedang ya kekam.
Hakabe dei bat kajing penmi hukum da kaying bisa jong ke Meghalaya High Court na kebenta ban khang persya ia kajing pen iye ka do akidukan dedo. Deputy Commissioner ke Southwest Garo Hills District URP Marak ula pelong ia kajing elang bat ki Nokma, ki Gaubura, ki OC bat ki IC habaro ki police station bat ki police outpost lem bat ki nong dia jing dia na kebenta ban yamir jingmud lang ha ampati circuit house ha gasngi baar. Ha kane kajing elang Deputy Commissioner ula khot ngobhai ki kli jong ki snong bat ki nong dia jing dia bakin ai jingmud lang khnang banyada na kane ka jing dia pat ba ya kedo. Ka coaching cum career guidance program hagatanat sipai na kabenta ki samla jong Garo Hills la ringkat ka jing ai jing kershan de ki nong shong shnong ka selsela CNRD block West Garo Hills la pelong ya kene ke program da ka office deputy commissioner jong planning ba la yo ru ya ka jing penshai na UEM sangma ubadai block development officer ubala banjur lo ka jing don kam ban pelong ya kum kini ki jai program na kabenta ban kintiwi ka bah kamiat jong ki samla bat ya ka than hi barok kawai Puro Shot Tom Joshi badai officiating commandant ka Shispa Arpo Battalion jong katanat Central Reserve Police Force ulasami katu katne kijing sham bat kijing mat jong hagakam sipai. Komisi benta ban rakhe ya ka Jubilee Ksiar jong ka Meghalaya Board of School Education lani embos la pelong ya ka inter-school choir competition ha ususo tham auditorium hene ka sngi executive chairman bertamai jong ka embos UCP Marak ulaong bakine ki program ki long komisi benta jong ka jing rakhe ban kenmau ya ka jing ai jing shakri jong ka embos ya ki patba ka jala menta la jan san post nem kinti ki don ru shibun ki program ki bakuntup ya ka cultural ka put ka tem bat ka jing ele kai sports bat aila di kena samla hadu class 12 ban pen i ela ki jong ki sap ki pong.
The Meghalaya Board of School Education has attained the age of 50 years since its establishment in the year 1973, and therefore we have had a series of programs which have been lined up to celebrate the service and the achievements rendered by the Meghalaya Board of School Education to the people of the state of Meghalaya.
Bontli ki office sarkar ringkat berkiwei ken hun ki lesnok ti lang ban pelong ya ke jaka ai jing sumar ai ka bahe tam ha thalas kan block jong ka West Giant Hills district aga ju hi ka sngi la pelong ru ya ka jing le test bala ai jing sumar ru na ka benta ka jing pang ba per sha ki shispa ngut ki brio ringkat ka jing ai jing tip halo ka kot ka khia kani ka jaka ai jing sumar la pelong hinen ka sngi ha North East Adventist University ka badon hakli tershi. Mentang nyepet ya kajing long jengman ka sumedeng Shillong kajing shit ka long apsa degree Celsius bat kajing khat ka long khat sun point khandai degree Celsius kajing skam ka hau ka long nyo phone shispa men step bat khandai phawen shispa janmiet kajing half slap ka long iway point r millimeters kala bandon kajing half slap ka ba malu mala hakikat tu kat ne ki jaka shaban poi shek bakut jong thup khubon ni pe byang sa asian ni kini kimat bakongsan. Empat kenrandian kesokan nak kajing temu banwanra ekalinti rel East Giant Hills District ong sembut mintrang ba kejela ubak sengau bahalang dhar. Penpau kesokan jelas ka Union Power Ministry ban penyar haga ban penmi boarding nak kesngi. Penkrek ke KHDC ban pelong ya kenong ba shlong ke bakhut basuba ong UCM ubak penyat sing sim. Bat pelong jingelang Deputy Commissioner ban penulong ke hukum jong ke Bishar High Court ha South West Garo Hills District. Te parlok da kitu ki khubong la poi shebakut jong ke thup khubor jing mentaga janmiet hadu bang nation plasai sngi haga jok ko kubli shiboni pi baro.
Invest in the share market, earn lakhs with